Hello, my friends. Welcome back to our channel. Do you want to learn English in a fun and easy way? Today, I will tell you a long story about my family. It is about our daily routine. You will learn English with me. You will learn family words, and you will enjoy a warm story. Please listen carefully, and don't forget, at the end, I will ask you questions. Please answer in the comments and subscribe if you like the story. Okay, let's start. This is the story of my family's daily routine. Every day, I wake up in the morning. I open my eyes, I smile, and I say, "Good morning." I live with my family. My family is big. I have parents. I have grandparents. I have one brother. I have one sister. We live together in one house. It is not a big house, but it is a happy house. In the morning, I hear my mother's voice. She says, "Wake up! It's a new day." My father is in the kitchen. He is making tea. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I get ready for the day. This is my daily routine. Practice question for you. What time do you wake up in the morning? My parents are very kind. Every morning, my mother makes breakfast. She cooks eggs. She cuts bread. She puts butter on the bread. She pours milk into cups. My father drinks coffee. He says, "I like coffee in the morning." My mother smiles. She says, "I like tea." We all sit together. We eat breakfast. We talk. We laugh. We start the day with love. Question for you. What do your parents eat for breakfast? My brother is young. He goes to school every day. He wakes up. He brushes his teeth. He washes his face. He puts on his school uniform. He packs his school bag. He says, "I am ready for school." My father takes him to school. He studies math, English, and science. He plays with his friends. My brother is smart. He always tells me stories from school. He says, "I learned a new word today." Question for you. Do you go to school or do you go to work in the morning? My sister is very sweet. She is younger than my brother. She stays at home with my mother. In the morning, she plays with her toys. Sometimes she draws pictures. Sometimes she reads a book. Sometimes she sings a song. She also helps my mother. She brings a spoon. She carries a plate. She says, "I want to help." My sister is very kind. She makes us happy every day. Do you have a sister or a brother? My grandparents also live with us. They are old, but they are strong. In the morning, my grandfather walks in the garden. He looks at the flowers. He looks at the sky. He says, "Good morning, nature." My grandmother likes tea. She drinks tea slowly. She smiles. She tells me old stories. Sometimes she tells me stories from her childhood. She says, "When I was young, life was simple." I love my grandparents. They are wise. They give me advice. Question for you. Do your grandparents live with you? At noon, we all come together. It is lunchtime. My mother cooks rice and vegetables. My father helps her. My grandparents sit at the table. My brother comes back from school. My sister runs to him and says, "Welcome back." We sit together. We eat. We talk about the day. My brother tells us about school. I tell my parents about my work. It is a happy moment. This is our daily routine in the afternoon. Question for you. What do you usually eat for lunch? In the evening, we have dinner. We eat soup, bread, and sometimes chicken. We thank my mother for the food. After dinner, we sit together. Sometimes we watch TV. Sometimes we play a game. Sometimes we just talk. My grandmother tells a story. My grandfather laughs. My father says, "Family is important." My mother says, "Yes, family is love." We enjoy the evening. It is simple. It is beautiful. Question for you. Do you watch TV with your family? At night, we all get ready to sleep. My brother packs his school bag. My sister puts her toys away. I brush my teeth. My parents check the doors. My grandparents say a prayer. We all say good night. We go to sleep. We dream happy dreams. This is the end of our day. This is the end of our family daily routine. Question for you. What is your daily routine at night? Now, let's remember some important words. Parents. My parents cook breakfast. Grandparents. My grandparents tell me stories. Brother. My brother goes to school. Sister. My sister plays with toys. Breakfast. We eat eggs and bread for breakfast. Lunch. We eat rice and vegetables for lunch. Dinner. We eat soup and chicken for dinner. Thank you, my friends, for listening to my story. This was my family's daily routine. Now, I want to hear from you. What is your daily routine with your family? Write in the comments. Practice English with me. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy English stories. See you next time.